In this video, we are going to discuss how you can change the order of your custom posts in WordPress website. So here you can see I have a website just for example. Now let me go in website dashboard, and if I go here in pages, now let me scroll down, and here you can see there is no drag and drop option. Okay, but if I go here in services, and now here you can see I am getting drag and drop option. Okay, so if I click here publish, so I have these 6 categories, so I can drag it and change the order, so it's done. Okay, I can go back and leave it as it is. So how you can do this? You can go to plugins, and here you can search for custom posts ordering. Okay, here you can see this one is the plugin that I have installed. So this one is by the color clip plugins, so you can install this plugin. After that, you can go back to the plugin settings. Here you can see this one, SCP order, then scroll down, and now you can easily enable custom page ordering for different blog posts, pages, and different other custom post types. You can also scroll down, and here you can see this one is for taxonomies. Okay, so you can also reset if you have some mistake. Okay, then you can select one of these and click on reset order. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable custom post ordering in your WordPress website.